children, welcome back to the class. Last class what we have studied? We have started a new chapter, Omana's journey. So what are the things we have discussed in the last class? That is Omana, where she is living? She is living in Gujarat because her father is working there. And where they are going? They are going to visit her grandmother who is living in Kerala. And which type of transportation they have taken? That is, they have taken train. It is the fastest means of land transport, isn't it? So this much we have discussed last class. And one more thing we have discussed, that is they have to reach into the Kerala, they have to travel through different 4 states. Which are the states? They started from Gujarat. She started from Gujarat. Then they have to travel through Maharashtra, and next they have to reach to the Goa. After that, what they have to visit or travel through the Karnataka, and finally they will be reaching into the Kerala. So this is a long journey. So she has to travel a long journey. So it will be taking 1 or 2 days. So this much we have discussed in the last class, and I have given you one homework also to locate the different states from where to where Oman has travelled in the train. So in the political map of India. So I hope all of you have completed that and you post in the group. Okay. So this much we have discussed in the last class. So today we will discuss about how we will be traveling, or what are the things or what things we have to do for a train journey. How we will start for a train journey. How we will be reaching to the train. How we will be traveling through the train. Most of you may be knowing this. Then too, if anybody is there who is not aware about of this train journey, because most of you will be, some of you will be going through only in the bus, or some of you will be traveled in the aeroplane only. In this train you may not be chosen sometime. So for them we will be discussing how we will be traveling through the, what are the procedures we have to do to travel in the train. Okay, so that we will be discussing. So first what we have to do to travel in a train. Okay, so first what we will, for example, if you need to go to Chennai for the vacation, you are planning to go to Chennai or Bangalore or any places. First what we have to do, if it is a long journey, we need to sleep in the train, isn't it? We cannot sit for a long time. It will be causing some difficulty for you. So we have to sit in the or sleep in the train. So for that we have to book a seat for you or for your family along with you who are traveling. We have to book a seat previously or prior to the journey. We have to decide which day we are planning. So we have to book a ticket for that day. Then only there will be seats or berths will be there for our journey. So first thing is we have to book a ticket. Book a ticket. How we will be booking a ticket? How we will booking a ticket? Either we can go to the railway station and from there we can take the ticket by filling some forms and what is railway station? Railway station means in which places this train will be stopping. Train won't be stopping in all the places like the buses, isn't it? Bus stop will be there. Like that in the railway station only the train will be stopping. So there, from there we have to book the ticket, which places we have to go, like, or else nowadays we can book through the online. Book through online. So these are the two modes or methods or two ways we can book a ticket. Okay, so we have to book a ticket prior to the train. After that what we will do? So on that day we have to go. So if it is a long journey, what are the things you have to take? You need to take your dresses, okay, and you have to take your books if need. You have to take your books and food, of course. Food and water should be taken along with you. So you have to pack your luggage. Packing luggages you have to do. Right. So first you have to packing your luggages, and after that that day on the day you are planning to travel, that day you have to reach the railway station. So in the railway station, where this train will be stopping, in the platform. In the platform, different platforms are the train will be stopping. That is, in some or different types of trains are coming there, and different routes are there. So if it is every train are coming through one railway track, it will be difficult. So each one will be having different or particular platforms. So the which platform your train is stopping, that you have to inquire in the office of the or inquiry place of the railway station, and there you have to reach. So that is the platform. So finding the platform is the next step. And there, from there, if the train is reached, on the train, on the outside of the train, you can see a chart that is known as reservation chart. If you have reserved the ticket, that is reservation chart. In the reservation chart, you can see your seat. That is, different compartments are there, bogies are there, coaches are there, or in that coaches or outside, which coach you have got, that everything in the railway ticket it will be there, that we will be discussing in next class. So in that your coaches will be there, everything. So that on the coach you can see your reservation chart. There your name, everything will be written, and the seats also will be written. You have to enter into the ticket or in the train. And after that, after entering into the train, what you have to do? You have to find your seat. Where is your seat? Everything you can see. So that is finding your seat. After that, you can keep your luggages, everything you have to keep properly. So these are the things you have to do for starting a train journey. So what are the things we can do? We can do for preparing for a train journey. You can, first step, you have to book a ticket. After that, you have to pack your luggages, and after that you have to reach the railway station and into the platform. And after that, after coming this train has reached, you have to check the reservation chart. Reservation chart means this is the reservation chart. Okay, so on the bogie or on the compartment or on the coach outside, there is a long sheet will be there. This is known as reservation chart. And on the reservation chart, you can see your name, your seat number, everything. So after that, you have to enter into the train. So this is the train, inside the train. You may be seen, most of you may be seen, that is, these are the seats or berths. It is known as berths. Upper berth, middle berth, lower berth, everything will be there. So this is inside the train. Those who are not entered into a train, you can see this picture. Okay. So these are the things in the train. So this is the preparation of the train journey. Is it clear? So what happened to Omana? Last class we told that Omana, why she is starting to write a diary. That is, she has a friend known as Radha. What happened to Radha? Radha was also planning to come along with them, but she fell down and her leg got fractured. So they cancelled the journey. So Radha became very sad. So Radha's mother told that they have to to the Omana that she has to write a diary. So she started to write the diary. So for starting a diary, we have to write the time and date, isn't it? So which day she has started the journey? She started the journey on 16th May. She started the journey, and from which station she has entered into that. And I already told that she is living in Gujarat. Okay, so in Gujarat, which railway station she has entered into the train? She has entered into the train from Ahmedabad. And who all were along with her? She is there along with her father, mother, and her younger brother was also there. So they started the journey. So after starting the journey, what all the things she has seen, everything we will be discussing in the next class. Okay, so today only a small homework for you, that is here in the page number 31. Page number 31, the second question. This, imagine you are going for a trip to Chennai. What all the things you have to do? That is from the first one I told you, booking ticket and packing the luggages. And next two lines are blank that you have to fill, and after that checking the reservation chart. After that two lines are blank, and last one the tickets. Everything you have to write. That is, this is the homework for you. If you have doubt, you can see the things also. That is, this is the preparing of the train journey. If you have doubt, you can see this also. Okay, so after that, after writing, you post the homework in the respective groups. Okay, so we will be meeting again in the next class. Till then, bye.